I'm buried. Don't fall. I literally tripped the other day and Miss Aunt Lisa caught me on these steps.
Oh my goodness.
I almost like broke my shins.
Oop, my bad. Got my hand in the view. I'm whispering to my coworker. He's shy, so toasty with the mosty. I am on my way to a 244-mile trip, and today I am taking the Volvo for the first time ever driving the Volvo. I've named this Volvo Victor. This is Victor the Volvo. Hello beautiful people, welcome to Anisha L TV. Obviously I'm Anisha L and I'm going to take you on a road trip with me today. I am going to Indiana and then I'm going to Dayton. This Volvo Victor, he is fancy. Victor is very fancy. He comes with a key fob. I didn't know that they have those things for tractors, but yeah. So I get to chirp them. Well, it probably ain't gonna make a chirp sound. I've already did my pre-trip. I heard the little click let me know that Victor is unlocked. Yeah, I did my pre-trip already. Now it's time to get going. I'll probably see you beautiful people, well, not physically, but you get me. See you at the exit gate. Yes, I'll just see you at the exit gate, because who wants to see me drive down this long road at 5 miles per hour? It'll take about 8 minutes to get to the gate. Been there, done that, right? All right, my beautiful people, we about to get rolling. Yeah. Today is my first time driving this Volvo Victor, and I don't know the workings totally. I'm used to the Kenworth. Where am I at? I'm trying to figure out these tools. Trying to figure out these forgive me. I don't know what to say. I'm trying to figure out how to navigate everything inside of this here vehicle, and I'm not doing the best job. I hope that you all were too wobbly or exiting. Way to I don't understand why I can't say that name today. In Indianapolis, Indiana. I hope I said it right. I'm not sure. So, when I arrived to work, I saw that all the Kenworths, which would be Kenny, aka Kenneth, and Keith were on the injured reserve list because of something. I don't know. And they had taken Keisha to another facility, so but lo and behold, Keisha had made an appearance. But
people may experience increased.
I had already picked Victor the Volvo because I didn't know Keisha came back. And I had a coworker who he was very adamant about, the Volvos don't have enough leg room or something, and he's on the taller side. As soon as that person brought the keys, I was like, oh, so here's the 003 is back, which is Keisha. And I was like, woo. I was going to take Keisha and put Victor back. Because I was under the impression that the gentleman just didn't like the Volvo, the other Volvo, since it was older, but he don't like Volvos in general. And I'm like, well, I don't know much about Volvos. I'm like, I'm in a good mood today, so I went on ahead and let them have Keisha. I would have preferred Keisha, to be quite frank with you, because I know all the knobs and stuff that I know the functions of Keisha. This I don't know. It's gonna be I'm kind of on a wing and a prayer kind of. Like I can't even hear the GPS. I don't know why I can't. Hey, this is a different vehicle, so I know I'm rambling, but I'm rambling. So I'm bobtailing to Indiana to pick up a loaded trailer. Drop it off in the daytime. I don't know, I haven't gotten to the point where I don't need to hear the GPS. I haven't made it to that point. Enjoy the view of a totally different place. I haven't been, so it's gonna be our first time together. We just enjoy the view and the tunes. And again, I totally appreciate you all so very much. Excuse me for yawning. I so appreciate you all for watching. I really hope y'all don't be really bobbing. I really hope this. I hope they don't be talking about. It's too hard of a stop.
on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Let's go! Hey! Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Fuck. Did I go the right way? I don't know. Shit. No, I didn't. Can't freaking hear the damn. This shit is annoying.
other road. I truly appreciate you watching. See you next time.